In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 11 update KB5067036 or KB5067931 not installing error code 0x80070003 couldn't install the update and how we can fix it. So let me get started. So first one, we need to retry update, restart the PC and try again. That is very important. So what you need to do is you have to go over here, search for the settings. Now from here you have to go to the Windows update. Now from here, the first and foremost step, if you have retry option, you have to go for the retry. Once the retry is done, you have to check, that is very important. Or if you need to try with a restart, so just go over here, right click on this one and do a restart. After the restart is done, you have to check because that might work in some cases, and that is very important. Next one is all about we need to pause and restart the update. So to do so, go over here in the settings and you can see there is an option called pause update. So either you have to pause it 1 week, 2 week or 3 week as per your need. Once then you have to try for update and maybe that might work in some cases. Next one is all about we have to start and restart App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So just go over here, search here for the services and you have to click on this one. And from here you have to go to App Readiness, right click and go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and the service status, if it is stopped, just click on the start. Now from here go for OK and you have to check. Next one is Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click and click on the properties. Make sure this is automatic. And also you have to up and running. Service status is stopped, just click on the start. Now from here you have to just wait. You have to run this apply and go for OK. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Windows update from here. Right click and go to the properties and make sure it is up and running and just go for OK. And that is what you have to do. And once done, you have to run this and you have to check. Next one is all about we have to run sfc and dsm command. That is very important. So just go over here, search here for the cmd and click on run as administrator and we have to go for yes. Now we have to copy the first command, that is sfc scannow, and you have to copy this and you have to paste it. Now press enter. This will take a lot of time and afterwards you have to copy this and you have to just remove this. You have to, after running first command, you have to try the second command and you have to press enter and you have to check. Next one, use Microsoft Update Catalog. So over here you can see we have two value KB50736 and KB57939. So go to the link over here. This is Microsoft Update Catalog. Now we have to paste it. And once you paste it, you have to go for the search. Once you go for the search, you have to try downloading these two. Or if you are having the error with KB5067931, copy this particular value and you have to go over here. Remove this and you have to paste it. Then you have to press enter and you have to check and that might work. That is also very important because we need to download the patch from the update option. Next one, we need to use option fix problem using Windows Update. So go over here in the link, navigate to the system. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the recovery. Now from here there is an option called fix problem using Windows Update. Reinstall a current version of Windows. Go for the reinstall now and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we need to reset the Windows Update component. So copy the entire command from here. So we have to copy this and once every command is copied, you have to right click and click on the copy. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to right click. You have to close everything. Right click over here and go to new, create a text document. Now over here, you have to get into this one and copy and paste the command that you copied right now. That is, you have to paste it, go to the file, go to save as, go to all files, change this to ofix.bat. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the desktop and go for the save. Now you have to close it and go over here, right click and you have to right click over here, run this as an administrator. Then you have to restart your PC. Then you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about we need to use the media creation tool that I'll be providing link in the description. Over here you can see this is for the Windows Installation Assistant. Now from here you have to download this particular tool and you have to update the Windows. Now from here you have to update the Windows and you have to check. That is what you have to do. And these are the steps and I hope this gig very helpful. That's it. Bye.